Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann.
And we are making quesadillas today. I know it might sound funny to say quesadillas, so we're actually making dias because there's no queso in them. And the version we love and have all the time have all what we see here. Sweet potatoes, refried beans, rice, and then kind of whatever else you want to add to it. There's a great recipe if you have Plant Strong, a book that I have the recipes in. I made the recipes with my brother Rip, and it is called Black Bean and Sweet Potato Quesadillas, page 194, if you want to follow along. It's roughly following this, not truly following this. So it is about a cup of rice, or however much rice you have left over. Will you smash along? And then if you have a little bit of a sweet potato that's already been cooked in the fridge, that's a great help because it acts like mortar. So let's add some of this in here. And
just squeezing it in.
Squeezing it right in, there you go. And if you were my mom, you would probably eat all the skins as
well,
you're
squeezing.
Skin,
that's the key part.
It's the best part.
That's the point of eating sweet potatoes and potatoes, is to eat the skin. That's where all the power is. But sometimes in sweet potatoes, it's harder.
Yeah. And these are refried beans, and they're fat-free. I want to just talk about this for a second, because some refried beans are vegetarian, and they have a bunch of oil added into them. And some of them are refried beans, and they have lard added to them. So fat-free vegetarian refried beans are just, like it says here, cooked pinto beans, water, some salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. So if you want to make your own pinto beans and smash them up, well done. But we get them here. There are other versions of beans that have refried beans that are vegetarian refried, and they have sugar added, which is unnecessary roughness.
It's just so key to read ingredients. It's shocking what you all find when you start doing that. And it's a really easy way to get yourself to not eat certain things that maybe you used to think you had to eat.
So I thought we'd add some scallions just for some good color. We love color, if you haven't picked up on that. Oh, black beans, black beans. Add a bunch of black beans in there. My kiddos love black beans. And spinach, just, it doesn't look like it smashes in right away, but it does. It makes its way in there. Or if you want to put kale, chop it up a little bit.
I would put a ton of kale in here. In fact, I might even cook kale ahead and put it in so that I got a lot of kale.
Well, she gets the gold star for that. That would be great. And cilantro. If you like cilantro, add it. If you don't add it. You can add it in, and it's okay cooked, or you can even add it on top when it's done.
Personally, I'd add the whole bunch.
Yeah, stems and all.
No, well, the stems are fine.
Stems
Just cut
are
them
fine.
up.
Okay, so this is good. So what you do here is, thank you for stirring that so well, is you add this to your case, or your tortilla or your wrap, whatever you're using. And we recommend. Can we talk about this for a minute? I think you've mentioned
this is
these
the
before.
Engine 2 sprouted American grains, which are
of the ancient Americas.
Sprouted ancient grains. Okay, and
sprouted American grains would be
delicious.
Like white bread and
Ezekiel
bologna.
also makes a good tortilla. That's
okay. So add as much as you want to this. I mean, you could add even more. My kids' feedback, and my husband sometimes say, you know, Jane, there's so much stuff in here. Can you put a little less? And
that's a lot.
You want more?
No, that's good.
Oh, there you go. And this will cook until it's browned and warm through and through, and then you flip it, and it's done. So we'll come back to this in a second.
Jane's a really good
flipper. Woohoo! Okay, now we're going to cook the next side. Awesome. Ooh, it's done. Woohoo. Doesn't that look great? All right, hopefully you can see it on this dark background. Should I get a white background to cut it on? No. All right. And you cut this open, and we serve this with a variety of salsas, and some things we love with it are corn salsa, or mango salsa, or cranberry salsa. Our kids have a love for guacamole, so they would have it. Guacamole. What are you doing, Ann? Here, I'll go.
Looking for a plate. I got a plate.
Oh, okay. All righty. So this would look delicious. You could add your cilantro on top even. I want to put a little sprig or some fresh tomatoes, some fresh salsa, and serve it up. Dia's ready to go. All right, what are you going to put in your dias?
Oh, lots of kale.
Of course. See you. Bye.